Question 1 of this exercise says the scores in mathematics test out of 25 of 15 students is as follows. Find the mode and the median of this data. Are they same? So first of all, we will arrange the data in ascending order from smaller to bigger. Then we will find the median and the mode. Now we can easily find the mode. Mode is that value that occurs the most often. So as we can look into the data, 20 is repeating 4 times. So the mode of these data will be 20. Now let's find median. So as there are odd number of terms, as there are 15 terms, so we can use one formula to find median, that is n plus 1 by 2th term. So whatever we will get, that will be the median. So as it is given in the question that there are 15 terms, so n will equal to 15. So it will be 15 plus 1 by 2th term. So on solving this, we will get 16 by 2, which is same as 8th term. So the value we will get on 8th place, that will be the median. So let's check it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So at 8th place, we are getting 20. So that will be the median of the given data. So we have got the mode as 20 and median as 20. So both are same.
To learn more about how QMath can help you crack school and board exams, explore QMath Leap, a live online classroom program run by highly experienced and committed teachers.